or kept Pampanga in this one.
Khan, the drive inside. Khan, the layup is
what
good!
A layup by Khan, hangs in the air.
Tikas now in front, and we are now in the last 2 minutes of Game 5. The road team ahead. After trailing by as many as 15 or 18 points.
Oh, they go to the MVP.
Mayo,
oh, what a spin!
Mayo draws a foul. And he's holding on to his head.
What a move by Mayo. But look at this. Lancer Khan hangs in the air. Hang time.
And Lancer Khan was quiet in the first half. And again, he has erupted here in the fourth quarter. But now we have 2 free throws for LJ Mayo. He will look to tie the game. Look at the free throw numbers right now. 18 of 33 for Taguig. But again,
that just dropped for Taguig.
The first one does not go.
They've had so many attempts. More attempts here in the second half. But they've missed so much more as well. Again, if you're Taguig, not the type to panic.
Yes.
143, but still, it's still just a 2-point game.
LJ Mayo looking to atone. Second shot, around and out.
Oh, that's a bad foul by Galoy. That will put Munoz at the free throw line.
That was a clear foul. And again, Munoz was there for the rebound. Look at Jake Munoz.
Oh, for sure, that's Galoy.
A clear foul. And again, Jake Munoz stepping up for Tikas Kapampangan. He will shoot 2 free throws here.
Imagine if the road team wins here. And we have a timeout on the floor.
We have a timeout. We will return after this break. Back on Aliw Channel 23, look at the numbers of Lancer Khan. And he has stepped up big time here in the second half. 15 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals, including this running shot to give Tikas Kapampangan the lead after trailing by as many as 18 points.
And again, free throws coming back to haunt Taguig in this game.
And now Jake Munoz at the stripe.
Let's see if Tikas flips the script here and they make free throws.
Jake Munoz stepping up big time. Only 3 points in game 4. 0 points in game 3. But he has 14. Big turnaround for Jake Munoz. And now he's at the line looking to convert.
If there's an MVP for just this game,
yes,
it's Munoz. Can shoot, but the catalyst has been Munoz picking up that playmaking cudgels for Tikas Kapampangan.
Munoz, crucial first free throw. Shot there for Jake Munoz. He has played with a lot of Pampanga teams and he connects 2 for 2 for Jake Munoz.
If you're a fan of Taguig, it's not the time to panic. Even if you're the Generals, still a long game.
Man, LJ Mayo 6 to shoot. Jumper is short and Khan secures the rebound.
Here we go, a shot here. Might just deliver the championship for Tikas.
Khan wants a nice pass now with a 6-point lead on the road.
Right now, that is the silencer. The crowd of Taguig stunned right now.
What a big turnaround for Tikas Kapampangan. And again, the comeback kids. Look at this move. Lancer Khan with the drive. The pull-up shot and then the friendly bounce for Lancer Khan. And look at his face. Look at the emotion. Jasper Manalang giving him a hug.
Wow.
And Tikas now on the cusp of their first championship for the franchise.
What an upset if they go on to win the championship. If you're Taguig, you were up by 15
Yes.
in Game 7. But 5
Yes.
seconds to go.
Still a lot of time. And again, there's still that Blaze 3 option as well as the free 3.
Sometimes I feel like for Taguig, it's a clutch situation, but they still go to their sets a bit too slow. I mean, it's not time to panic, but it took him 20 seconds just to give LJ Mayo the ball in the post, and you're coming from 4 down.
Look at the fans of Taguig, silent. The fans of Tikas Kapampangan who made the trip here. Look at them.
Will Game 5 be the game where a team will win on the road?
Yes.
How poetic,
Wow.
Ruben. That's going to be crazy. Coach Jeff Chan, first time coach.
Yes, another great story if Tikas can pull this off. But again, a lot of time on the clock. Taguig has the championship experience. Again, still a lot of time for the defending champions. Natividad at the right side against Lancer Khan. They go to Azares. He fakes a 3. Azares with a drive. The layup is
That's
short.
a sorry miss by Azares.
Rebound by Tikas. And there's a foul. I'm not sure if that. A good foul, but Manalang will shoot it. 2 seconds. 2 seconds left.
The Generals might just be dethroned tonight, Ruben. Their 4 straight championships might be broken here. And Azares, that is a sorry miss by Azares. He can't get wide open, more wide open than that.
And then who gets the rebound? It's Jake Manalang. It's the first free throw. It is now a 7-point lead for Tikas.
Coming from 15 down, not giving up. They kept battling and battling in this one. And Mayo, though, 33 points might just go down the drain for LJ Mayo.
8-point lead.
No timeouts anymore for Taguig.
Mayo denied, but there's a foul.
Mayo gets fouled and he crashes into the crowd.
And again, this was once a 90-87 lead for Taguig.
And we have to go back to those misses at the free throw line for Taguig. Ruben. They missed, I think, 1 out of 7 here in the 4th quarter. Natividad made 1 out of 2. Mayo missed 2. So many players missed. Tolentino missed 2. So many players missed. Tolentino missed 2. And then meanwhile, Pampanga, Tikas Kapampangan started making their... And then meanwhile, Pampanga, Tikas Kapampangan started making their free throws. And look at how Pampanga has defended the Generals. The Tikas Kapampangan has defended Taguig here in the second half. 19 points only in the 3rd quarter for the Generals. 14 here in the 4th quarter.
LJ Mayo again at the line trying to end. And at the line trying to end this 9-0 run by Tikas Kapampangan with 47 seconds left.
You have to give it up to Lancer Khan.
Looks like it's going to be a free 3 for LJ Mayo. Can he convert? Free 3 on the way. Off the back rim. The bounce goes to Munoz. We have a foul. Looks like the foul is on Munoz.
There's a foul. Not even a challenge here, I think, coming from Coach Jeff.
Again, we've seen everything here in the final series. Looks like there will be another free 3.
Tolentino will go for a free 3. Your center.
I remember Tolentino hitting a 3-point shot in their game against Nueva Ecija. I called that game.
We've seen crazier things.
Yes, let's see if we can drain this free 3. Tolentino for the free 3.
Oh!
And Taguig is back in this game. What a huge three for Jexter Tolentino of all people, who missed game 4 due to a suspension. And Taguig is back in this ball game. Don't count them out just yet. 45 seconds left. Ticas with a 5-point lead. But again, Tolentino drained that free three. If you're Ticas, Andre, anong gagawin mo rito?
Use time.
Yes.
You have to use time here. 45 seconds left. Time is on your side. There's not a lot of possessions. If I'm Taguig, if it goes to a shooter, a free throw shooter that I know might miss, I'll opt for the foul. But if not, I'm just going to play good defense. 5-point game. Never know what happens here.
Yes. Again,
that three just changes a lot of things here. Kudos to Tolentino for hitting a three. That's your center.
Yes.
Told you, crazier things have happened. Taguig fans, though, still in shock right now.
Again, a big turnaround. 90-87 was the count earlier with Taguig in front. Now it's a 98-93 lead for Ticas with 45 seconds left.
First for Pampanga is bringing the ball in.
Jake Munoz, look at his numbers.
You gotta love it.
Wow. 1 rebound away from a double-double, and that's after he only scored 3 points in game 4.
To play your best game in a closeout series, closeout game.
And again, Munoz has experience, already played in previous Pampanga teams from the Delta days to the Louis to Pampangan.
This is smart for Coach Jeff. He decides to bring in CJ Ganya after he sees what Taguig is going to do on defense.
Ganya will inbound. The shot clock stays at 24. So
you just need to bring the ball in.
Ganya having trouble inbounding the ball. 5-second
violation.
Oh my
goodness. The last thing you want to happen has happened here for Ticas. And if you're Taguig, you want to go strong here.
And again, no more timeouts for Taguig.
You don't need a three for Taguig.
So now Azares will inbound. On the floor for Taguig, Mayo. That's Jexter Tolentino, Dan Natividad, and Edsel Galoy.
I'd put this in the hands of Mayo.
Natividad with the ball.
Again, they're taking their time.
Azares at the left side, guarded by
This
Khan.
is not what you want to do. This is too long already.
5 on a shot clock. Natividad for 3!
Oh!
It's just a 2-point lead for Ticas. Dan Natividad with a clutch 3-point shot.
What a shot! This keeps Taguig alive, and they don't need to foul on this next possession. Oh my goodness.
Wow. And we all thought that that possession was going nowhere. But all of a sudden, Dan Natividad hits that clutch 3.
And he's really Mr. Clutch. That's his nickname.
Right.
Just when they needed him the most.
Last shot for Dan Natividad. And Taguig is still alive. You can hear the fans.
It's not over.
Yes, by any means, it's not yet over. 33 seconds left. And again, that was a crucial turnover
there. What
a
turnover there by CJ Ganya.
And he was replaced by Jake Munoz. He replaced Jake Munoz on that sequence. And then he turned the ball over.
And all you have to do here is get a stop. If you're Taguig.
Right.
The problem is you don't have timeouts anymore.
Yes.
Well, I think Ticas has one more timeout. But you got to bring the ball in. That's the first thing you have to do here. I'm sure Coach Lou is doing double duty here, offense and defense, whatever happens.
So now it's Bragais inbounding the ball for Ticas. Ganya has been replaced. And you can hear the fans.
Here we go.
What a classic Game 5. Look at Dan Natividad's numbers. 19 points, 5 rebounds, 8 assists, 2 steals. Bragais will inbound. And now it's...
Oh!
A steal by Dan Natividad! Natividad loses it!
Oh, what a
Wow,
crucial
what a-
turnover.
A stunning turnover here as we watch this. Stripped by Dan Natividad. But again, he loses the ball and it's Ticas basketball.
And now that actually uses a bit of time here. So the time difference between shot clock and game clock is 2 seconds. So
Yes.
they might need to foul.
Here's Bragais. They will inbound at the backcourt.
Oh, that's a turnover.
That was a bad pass by Bragais.
Are they calling it a foul? I think they called it
They
a
will
foul.
call a foul. Pushing foul.
They call it a foul.
And
I thought it was a
Coach Bing
turnover.
Victoria did not like it. 25 seconds left.
They have a challenge though.
Yes, they can challenge it. They will challenge it. I saw the C sign by Coach Bing Victoria. I think they will challenge it. Let's see.
So they're not challenging. I think the referee
I
says
think it won't stand. 2 free throws here for Jericho Isidro. What a turn of events. And now Isidro will shoot 2 free throws. Isidro, no!
wow, that keeps Taguig in this one.
Very much alive here in game 5. Again, no more timeouts for Taguig.
Both teams have no
Both
timeouts.
teams.
This is very similar to what happened in game number 3. Ticas just needs to close this out.
Jericho Isidro, crucial free throw for Ticas.
Have to remember, game 4, Victoria had that offensive board.
That rattles out. Rebound by Tolentino and a chance for Taguig to tie this ball game. Mayo nearly losing it. Azares inside, wild pass. Natividad pulls up. No! A bad pass by Dan Natividad.
Nobody wanted to shoot the ball for Taguig. Azares had a shot, Mayo had a shot, Galoy could have shot it. Nobody wanted to shoot.
14 seconds left.
Taguig has had their chances in this one.
Bragais will inbound at the backcourt. Bragais nearly losing the ball. Bragais with the ball now. Forward pass. Isidro, 9 seconds left. Isidro lays it in! Ticas now up by 4 with 7 seconds left. No more timeouts. Dan Natividad with the ball right side. Nearly taken away by Lancer Khan with 2 seconds remaining.
Taguig just shot themselves in the foot in this game.
Wow.
That's 2 turnovers by Dan
Yes.
Natividad on the steal and on that pass.
2.5 seconds left. Azares will inbound. Ticas does not need to foul here.
There's barely any chance here now for Taguig without any timeout.
Galoy for 3, and that will do it!
Wow!
We have a new champions in the NBL!
Ticas Kapampangan does the improbable. Wins on the road after being down by 15 points. Takes down the 4-time defending champion.
And the dynasty has ended here in Taguig. Following this gutsy victory by Ticas Kapampangan, the new champions of our homegrown league.
And if you're Taguig, execution down the stretch. Nobody wanted to shoot the ball in multiple possessions. Remember the play before the turnover by Natividad? They had a chance, but nobody wanted to shoot it. Then Natividad just throws it away. He should have shot that ball.
Yes.
He's the clutch guy there. He actually had an open shot after a fake.
And the fans who came all the way from Pampanga now on the floor celebrating here
Well
at the
deserved.
Hagonoy Sports Complex, Andre.
Well-deserved victory for Ticas Kapampangan. What a victory by this team. So many heroes.
Yes.
Isidro missing 2 but hitting that last layup. Munoz. Lancer Khan.
Wow.
Despite the struggle today of Jenmar Bragais only had 6 points, but he had 8 assists and 8 rebounds. Talking about a great game by Tikas Kapampangan. Down by 15 at halftime, holding the Generals to just 39 points in the second half.
A stunning defeat. And look at that, Dan Natividad in tears after. And look at Coach Jeff Chan in his first stint as a head